A scorching afternoon in the countryside. The clever miner searches desperately for water, not a single drop to be found anywhere. Suddenly, the miner spots a clay pot. The water level is too low to reach. How can I drink this water? She wonders. After deep thought, the miner has an idea. She begins collecting small stones. One by one, she drops stones into the pot. The water level slowly rises with each stone. Finally, the water reaches a drinkable level. With clever thinking, any problem can be solved.